Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. In these clips that I'm in the process of putting together, I will solve math problems that you will find in this book, the GMAT review, the official guide. You must have this book if you're preparing for the GMAT. There is no such thing as a preparation for GMAT without owning this book. You will find this book, the only place you can buy this thing is at mba.com. Go over there, purchase the book if you don't have it. Have the book in front of you, turn to the page number that I tell you. For example, right now I'm about. So this is the notation I'm going to use, the tag that I'm going to use if you want to search for it on the YouTube. What you want to type in is GMAT dash, then the page number, page 158 dash PS for problem solving, number 51. Because down the road, I will do the second type of questions that appear on the GMAT, which are called data sufficiency, and hence the DS for data sufficiency. So you want to look for this tag, PS 51, because I will also down the road solve question number 51, which is data sufficiency. So I want to keep them two separate. Let's get going. After watching the clip, if you find it helpful and if you wish to purchase the DVDs, which contain the solutions to all the math problems, there are about 400 altogether. There are 250 of data sufficiency problems and about 150 of, or rather 250 problem solving questions, and there are 150 data sufficiency questions. There are approximately about 400 problems that are in this book. And I'll try to solve as many as we can on the YouTube for the clips that I put on the YouTube. But I have DVDs which contain the solutions to all the problems. If you wish to purchase the DVDs, or if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, there is my website, prep4gmat.com, P-R-E-P, prep, F-O-R, gmat.com. I'm located in Connecticut. You can get hold of me through email. You just go to the website and send me an email. Let's do problem number 51. Enough of this talk. Number 51 is what I'm doing. This is 3x. This is x plus 30. This is 2x. And the question is, what is the value? Oh, what's the value of y? They're simply asking you how much does y equal to. As you will find, as I start doing these problems after problems, as you will find me saying many times, the math on the GMAT is very, very simple. It's just learning how to do this in a quick manner, in an efficient manner, so that you don't sit there and try to solve the problem in every single step that you're usually used to doing when you took the exam as a schoolboy or a schoolgirl many years ago, many moons ago. Don't do it in an academic way. Just the point here is to keep moving. The question simply is, what is y? If I can find out the x, you see the simple concept that they're testing here is that the straight line is 180. If the straight line is 180, then this 2x plus 3x has to be 180. If 5x is 180, 1x is how much? If 10x were 18, if 10x equals 180, then 1x would have been 18. So 5x, since it's only 5x, is 36. And if you want to solve it, just over 5. But the point is, in the exam, you are not allowed to use the calculator. That is a big problem with a lot of problems. So here's how you do it. 5 goes into 18 3 times. You got 3 left over. This becomes 30, and 30 goes into 5 6 times. 30 goes 36. So now we know that it's 36. But there are two ways I can solve this problem now. Well, actually many ways, but I'm going to keep it simple. So now we should realize that this angle right here has to equal this angle right here. And this angle we know is 2 times x. I'm mixing everything up here. Let me erase this part so it doesn't confuse you. You see 2x plus 3x equals 5x. That's how I got this thing here. So now I know that 2x, 1x is 36, so 2x is 72. This 72 has to equal this. So let's do it here. 72 equals y plus 30. So y must be 72 minus 30, which is, of course, 42. That's it. The answer is E. The answer is E. Let's do one more. Now I'm at page number 159, problem number 52. 159, problem number 52. Let's see what it has to say. Problem 52, page 159. Let's see what it has to say. Kelly and Chris packed several boxes with books. If Chris packed 60%, so we have Chris at 60% and 60% of total number of boxes. What was the ratio? They don't tell you what percentage Kelly packed, but of course it's obvious that if only Kelly and Chris did the packing, and we are told that Chris packed 60%, Kelly must have packed 40%. Question, what is question? The question is, what is the ratio of the number of boxes packed by Kelly? Alright, so Kelly, which we know is 40%, and the question is, what's the ratio of the books that are packed by Kelly to the number of boxes packed by Chris? It's very simple, that's it. Kelly over Chris has to be 40 over 60, which of course is same as, let me change the color one more time here, so I don't need a percentage sign. It's just 2/3. The ratio is 2 to 3. The ratio is 2 to 3 because it's 2/3 the ratio. The ratio of 2/3 is same as 2 to 3. The answer is E. Alright, let's do one more. Number 53. The question is, of the following, which is the closest approximation of, and we are told here, 50.2 times 0.49 times 199.8. Sometimes I wonder why they give these questions, because they are so simple. Some of them, not all of them obviously. For example, this one, they are not looking for the exact value, so don't sit there and try to do it in a geeky, in a nerdy way. There are two ways of taking the exam, what I call the classical way, the orthodox way, the traditional way, the geeky way, the nerdy way, the academic way, the proper way. And of course then there is another way, which is the quick and dirty way. In this case, they are looking for approximation, so there is no point doing the exact calculation. What is half of 50? Half of 50 is 25. And at the bottom I have, what do I have? Don't say 199.8. Don't say that. On the bottom I have 200, because we're looking for approximation. The answer is 1/8. Answer is 1/8. There you go. Answer is B. That's it. We are done. You will find me in the next clip where I will solve question number 54 and 55, and I will try to keep a set of 3 and a 2. Alright, so and then the one after that is going to be 56, 57, 58, and then 59, 59, 60, or maybe 56, 57, and then the next clip 58, 59, 60, something like that. But anyway, I'll see you in the next clip. Send me an email at prep4gmat.com, P-R-E-P, prep, F-O-R, gmat.com. Send me an email if you wish to purchase if you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring. As I said, I'm in Connecticut. If you wish to get these clips right away, as soon as I upload them, subscribe to my channel, and that way you will get them immediately as soon as they are uploaded. Thank you.